going on, everyone? Derek here today, and I am bringing you an update video. I know I haven't been filming much or posting much on the channel lately, and honestly that's because we have a pretty big project happening today. As you guys know, I bought a Vortech Supercharger for my 1999 Mustang GT. Here are all the parts. And yeah, today's installation day. We got about a month before Mustang week, so we have to get this thing supercharged, and many other little things have to get done as well. So I do want to apologize for my absence lately. Honestly, this has just been stressing me out. And you know, with waiting to get certain parts and the time, the help, yeah, it's happening today though, so I'm very excited about that. I just wanted to give you guys this update video just so you guys know what's going on. Supercharger is getting installed today. We're gonna keep our fingers crossed, make sure everything goes as planned, and she will be up and running in no time. Ask me if I'm nervous. Very, very nervous. But it's funny, guys, we're at our friend Danny's house, and the last time the car was here, we actually installed the Airlift Performance bags on the car. So yes, same place, different project, and my god, this is gonna be exciting. So over here on the table, guys, we have absolutely everything we're gonna need, hopefully. From our new coil packs, to our new injectors, to our new spark plugs, to our tuner, to our new throttle body. We got the injector adapters, our new filter. We have the 01 through 04 bracket for the supercharger, and we also have the 99 to 2000 bracket for the supercharger. This one was actually Andrew's loud 2 valves before he sold the car, so I was like, yo, let me get that just in case, because you never know, companies do mess up, they're not perfect. And I'm not saying they messed up, I'm just saying I took a precaution. I said, Andrew, let me get this real quick, so I have both of them, so there is no like, holy shit, this bracket isn't mounting up. We have both of them, so it's impossible for one of those not to mount up. We got the head unit itself. It looks like all the tubing. I don't think I'll be using all of this because I do have an Anderson's power pipe in a box down here, so I'm debating if I want to use that right now. I'm not too sure. But yes, this is all the factory tubing, and then this is going to be the tube that goes from the blower into the throttle body. And obviously we got our manual here, got our gauge. I have a gauge cluster down there somewhere. It's in one of those boxes. But yeah, everyone, that's everything right there. I know it looks like a lot, but honestly, with all those boxes, I thought I had a lot more. So I'm hoping we have everything, because you know, there's no going back now. So I know many of you are wondering right now, am I gonna be posting like an installation video? And that is a big old fat yes. Now, if you go on YouTube, you can clearly see that there is just not a step-by-step video on how to, you know, install a Vortech Supercharger on a new Edge. Now, there's a lot of ProCharger ones out there, and there's very, very few Vortech. And if it's a Vortech video, honestly, there's no information. They literally skip a bunch of frames, and yeah, it's literally a whole installation compact into 5 minutes, and that's just not possible. So with this installation, I plan on, you know, bringing you the best I possibly can, the step-by-step. Now, keep in mind, this isn't our house, so we do have to, you know, get to work. But, you know, with that, I am gonna film absolutely everything from, you know, stripping down the whole engine bay, because we have to replace everything, the spark plugs, coil packs, fuel injectors, we have to do the fuel pump, we have to install the head unit itself, we have to hook it up to the new throttle body. So yes, we have our work cut out today, but you know, it's gonna make good content, and I hope this helps many of you guys out there that are thinking, you know, supercharging your car with a Vortech or Paxton or, you know, ProCharger. At the end of the day, they're all the same thing. As I said before, today is the day, and we're gonna get right to it. Thank you so much for watching and understanding why, you know, I've had a little delay, but it's time to get some content rolling, and super excited. So if you guys are excited as well, drop a like on this video, drop a comment, and be ready. More content coming. Anyways, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.